So we're just gonna do a quick little truck tour. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, so stay tuned. Okay, truck tour. Hola, Mr. Ete. Okay, so this is where we keep our dog stuff, Mana stuff. That's just my husband's jacket that he uses here when we get into like warehouses or the areas where the warehouses are. Just keep some snacks up here. My husband's secret stash compartment with his other snacks. Y'all never tasted these Madeline cookies. These are fire. What is this? A muffin. We got some other necessities. Q-tips, Tylenol, beef jerky. I guess that's a necessity. This is where we also keep like what is this? Tissues and some Lysol wipes. And then up here, this is where we have like spices and oil, sauces and stuff like that. Got our microwave, foil, more foil, parchment paper. And here we got our paper goods, paper plates, more cooking spices, the ones I use on the daily. Just some containers up there. Can you turn this light on? Over here we just got some napkins that I was using this morning. Yeah, napkins, eggs, rice, you know, the daily necessities. Got some potatoes, onions, more cooking necessities. Use the kinds of stoves and stuff that you can plug in, but I like to use this kind of stove, the propane stove. Got our cutting board. Here's the gas that goes into the propane. Okay, we got bunk beds. Here's my husband's bed. Here's my bed. Here's Mana's bed. Usually at night I'll put his chair over there. This is clothes in here. All our canned goods up here. Tons of canned goods. Some Saimini packets. And look at our big old stash of rice. So yeah, we got all our cooking stuff underneath here. Pans, pots, griddle. Don't be ghetto like us when we first started trucking and just put garbage in a plastic bag. Get you a little, not too small, but small enough that it doesn't take up too much room. A little garbage really comes in handy, especially when you live in such a small space. This is how we let me show you guys real quick. This is how we wash dishes. We have our little bins. Well, I guess they're not little, but we got our fold out table over here. So we'll set up the table here, place the bins on it. One side is for washing, the other bucket underneath. What, Mana? You like my instructions? The other bucket underneath is for the rinsing. And then, sorry, let me get this curtain out of the way. This is what we fill up. We just bought this at Walmart. It was only like $5, huh, baby? These water containers. Huh? Oh my gosh. Hello, I'm talking to you. These water containers, how much were these?
A lot?
No, they weren't.
Oh, it's like $1. That's pretty much $2.
Okay, awkward. No, it wasn't. It was like $5. Last time I asked you questions. Last time I asked you for questions. Anyway, so you got your, this is a cutting board, but it pulls out. So I usually will place that, this container. Let me pull it out again. Usually we'll place this container on here, set up that table, and then we can just wash dishes. Turn this nozzle on. I know another cool trick or tip to use instead of having to go and buy this. People will recycle their laundry detergent bottles, the ones with the nozzle. They'll just wash it out, get all the soap out, and then they'll just use it for water storage. If you want hot water, you can put this underneath your feet, and there's a heater over there, and it can heat the water and make it hot water. Or you can just boil some hot water and pour it inside. It's really up to you. Got a little dustpan on the broom over here as well. Just close that. Then we just rinse out the containers and slide it back in. That's our little stuff. Then this, we put our little vacuum right here. Just by a little small one at the truck stop if you can't find those other handheld ones. We got this little thing called a kneader feeder. It's where we put Mana's food and water. So when the car moves, or the truck moves, when the truck moves, the kneader feeder, will catch any water or spillage, and it drains out into those holes. So there, you never get spills on the ground. So that's really nice. We got his little compartments. He likes to put his comb here to brush out his beard or whatever. Got pens and stuff that he needs. Oh, he was eating earlier. That's why his ranch is there. This little compartment here, that's where we just put all the stuff we need to get to easily, like garbage bags and the soap and water to wash dishes. We just hang our towels here to dry when we're done showering. And if you're poly, you know what it is. Always need this. This is also a necessity. So we'll just hang that here. When it gets a little steamy and hot in the truck. We just hang this up. And honestly, it's like an RV. It's really fun. It feels like we're camping. But instead of not having any electricity, we do have electricity. Here's some outlets over here. There's outlets all around the wall. And all the, we have our inverter. Just to there. Here's our inverter underneath here. Oh, I forgot about the mini fridge.
Best truck ever.
Oh.
Well, that we've got.
What stuff we got in here, baby? We got some butter, some vegetables, tomatoes, cucumbers, some little sandwich stuff. We got some corn dogs, some cabbage, because your girl loves to cook. We got some frozen stuff over here as well. Pork chops, hamburger meat, some gyoza pot stickers. Yeah. And then this is where all the utensils go. Cooking utensils and just forks and spoons. If you need some privacy, baby, how do we get privacy in our truck?
You walk outside and lock yourself outside.
No. Show me. How do we get privacy? That way. Okay, well that was a fail. Anyways,
You ignore the other person.
just open up these little Velcro things, these straps, and then you just pull your curtains over. These are really nice because ain't no sunlight coming in through these curtains. If you want some more extra room, pull out that curtain, baby.
Huh?
That curtain right there. So these curtains wrap all the way around.
No, all the way towards the front, middle.
Oh, actually, yeah. So this one wraps to this half of the middle, and then this other one wraps to this other half of the middle. So it's really nice. And we just got more snacks and stuff up there. That's where my husband puts all his drive stuff. This is just extra storage space. Also, really nice extra storage space is under the bed. Sorry, my dog was ripping up the trash right there. Anyways, so underneath this bed there's heck of storage space. So it's really nice, you know, for like, that's also where we would put like our laundry, detergent, and soap, and other toiletries that we need. Just extra storage space. So yeah, that was just a little tour of our truck. That's kind of just how we set up all of our things. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, mana, say fa. Bye, y'all. All right. Well, hello there, everybody. Hi, honey. So my baby is backing up right now. We are in, what is it, Lacey?
Tracy.
Oh, awkward. Tracy. We're in Tracy, California, at the Safeway warehouse. So my baby is just doing his maneuvers, backing into one of these, what do you call those? Garage? Docks. The dock doors. Got some other semi trucks over there.
Stupid idiot right here. Can't even wait till.
Okay. Hello. We're recording.
It's okay.
Okay, check our life. Anyways, I thought we might as well just do a tour while we're here.
Now that it's finally clean.
Now that I cleaned it, me, myself, and I. Oh, and I just dropped the phone. We're still good. Anyways. I'm